How to add black bar in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the Edit tab. Make sure your timeline is selected so any changes you apply affect the entire video. Next, head over to the Effects library on the top left corner of the screen. Under the Effects tab, look for an effect called Adjustment Clip. Drag this adjustment clip to a video track above your main footage in the timeline. Trim it to match the length of your video. Then, go to the Fusion panel. To create the black bars, you'll need to use a background node. So, select the media node and add a background node. Arrange it properly and then add rectangle marks to the background node. Now go to the inspector window and check the invert option. Next, go to the viewer and adjust the marks to create the black bars. This part is completely up to you depending on how thick or thin you want the bars to appear. Once you have created the black bars, you can animate them easily using keyframes. And that's it. Now you know how to add black bar in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.